Want to raise your handlebars, but you're already maxed out? There's a simple extender for that. Looks like this. Let's go over how to install it. This is actually one of the most solid factory options you can get. It clamps down really tight. I wouldn't use it for trail riding, but for city bikes, it's totally fine. This extender only works with a threadless headset, the kind that looks like this. If your setup has big nuts under the stem, this won't work. And it doesn't work with carbon steerer tubes. For more on headset types, check the separate video on the channel. Let's see how much height we can actually get here. Looks like, yeah, quite a lot. Around 7 centimeters. First thing, remove the stem from the bike. Usually you've got spacers here, around 5 to 10 millimeters each. But here it's basically one solid tube. Now we need to figure out how deep the extender goes in. Slide it on all the way. And mark the depth. You want your spacers about 5 to 10 millimeters above that mark. Too few spacers, you won't preload the headset properly. Too many, the extender won't clamp securely. In my case, it's a tube, so I'll just cut it to size. All right, cut it down. That's about 5 to 7 millimeters above the mark. Perfect. Now install the extender and clamp everything tight. No gaps, no play. Next, take the top cap with the long bolt and check how far it threads in. If it bottoms out, good. If not, you'll need to drive the star nut deeper. A star nut is a small insert inside the steerer tube. If you need to drive it deeper, here's how you do it. Thread in a bolt. For example, from an old top cap. And gently tap it down with a hammer. But there's always a chance it goes in crooked, so it's better to use the proper tool. This is what it looks like. Sometimes in custom builds you need to go much deeper. I've got a modded tool for that. Now stack your spacers, install everything, and put the stem back on. Don't add too many spacers. The top bolt should clamp the steerer, not hang in the air. And at the same time, the steerer should sit about 4 to 5 millimeters below the top of the stem. After that, tighten the top cap. The bolt we just tightened is what sets the headset preload. How do you check it? Hold the front brake, put your fingers on the junction between the headset and the frame, and rock the bike back and forth. If you feel any movement, tighten it more. If you've tightened it enough, the handlebar should turn smoothly like this. If it doesn't turn or turns too hard, loosen the top cap bolt and find the balance between smooth steering and no play. Then tighten all the side bolts. Done. That's it. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more.